So the next question is cos cubed theta, that is integration of cos cubed theta into sin power 6 theta into d theta. So here the solution is, so first it can be written in order, so that is compare integral of sin power mx into cos power n x into dx. That is nothing, first we are writing a sine, nothing but a sin power 6 theta into cos cubed theta into d theta. Okay, here the m is equal to 6, that is nothing but a even number, and n equal to 3. So we have to choose a even number. Select t equal to even number, that is nothing but a m. What is the m? M for is nothing but sin x. So the t is equal to sin x. Differentiate t with respect to x, we get that d by dx of sin x. The sin x is nothing but a cos x, and we get that dt equal to cos x into dx. And here the question is integral of sin power 6 theta into cos cubed theta into d theta. From that cos cubed theta, that is here we write in as cos theta here. From that from that cos cubed theta, it can be written, separate the one cos value, 6 power theta into cos square theta into cos theta into d theta. So separate one cos value, because we need a cos theta into d theta. So therefore integral of, that is implies 6 power theta into cos square theta into cos theta into d theta can be written as a dt. Here the cos theta is convert into, that is nothing but a convert into sin theta, because the entire function will be converted into the form of t. The entire function is convert into t. The t is nothing but a sin theta. The t equal to a sin theta. So therefore we use the basic formula. What is the basic formula? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So therefore that is implies sin power 6 theta into 1 minus sin square theta into dt. So the t is equal to, substitute t, therefore t power 6 into 1 minus t square into dt. So finally we get that integration of t power 6 minus t power 8 into dt. So for the integration of t power 6, what is that? T power 7 by 7 minus t power 9 by 9 plus c. So just we substitute, that is t, substitute t. What is t? T equal to sin theta. That implies sin power 7 theta by 7 minus sin power 9 theta by 9 plus c. Okay, so first how we can solve this problem? The given question is integration of cos cubed theta into sin power 6 theta into d theta. First we can write the sin theta, and next we are writing as a cos theta. So what is the comparison? The first compare that integration of sin power mx into cos power nx into dx. Here that m equal to 6 and n is equal to 3. In this one, which one is a even number? The even number is 6. That is nothing but m. What is the m? The m value is nothing but sin theta. The t equal to sin theta. Therefore, differentiate t with respect to theta, we get that cos theta. Differentiation of sin is nothing but a cos theta. Finally, it can be written as dt equal to cos theta into d theta. So, therefore, the key question is sin power 6 theta into cos cubed theta into d theta. From the cos cubed theta, we need one cos value. So, therefore, it can be written as cos power square theta into cos theta. And cos theta into d theta can be written as a dt. So, therefore, if we are writing this is a 1 and this is okay, it's 2. Because the entire function will be converted in the form of t, that is the cos will be converted into the sine. How we are convert? The basic formulas are needed. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. And we substitute that integration of sin power 6 theta into 1 minus sin square theta into theta. Substitute t. The t is equal to, that is sin theta, that is t power 6 into 1 minus t square into dt. Therefore, t is equal to sin theta, that is t power 6 minus t square into t square, that is t power 8. And we do the integration of this one. We get the x power n formula, x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And finally, we substitute t equal to sin theta. Okay, here the substitute t, the t equal to sin theta. And the basic formulas are a power m into a power n, that is nothing but a power of m plus n, and integration of x power n of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So these two formulas are needed to solve the problem. Okay.